Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to LuxemumTV and happy Vlogmas day 2. So guys, I'm in my kitchen and I have a simple smoothie recipe that I want to try out this morning. Okay, this is my first time doing this smoothie and I want to take you guys along. Hopefully it turns out good. Okay, so let's go and make this simple breakfast smoothie. So guys, I'll be needing mint leaves, pineapple, and over here I have ginger and coconut water. Okay, so I'm gonna throw them now in the blender and I will blend until smooth. Then I will tell you what the taste. Just a couple of mint leaves. Okay, so smoothie is ready now. So now it's time to taste. Tastes really nice. Wow, I like it. You know, ginger and pineapple always go together very good. And the mint, a little hint of mint in it, and the coconut water, everything blended together. Good taste. It's not so too sweet, and it's not bitter at all. I like the taste of it. I hope you give this a try, guys. Very nice, very refreshing. At least a good breakfast replacement. I'm sure you like it. Okay guys, thank you, and I will see you on day 3 of the Vlogmas. Bye guys.